my passion. I'm an actor and presenter. Well, I'm here to go on a date with Castillo. I don't know how that's gonna go. I'm giving love a shot, you know, doing different things to find love. My perfect man is caring.
Man, what's with the...
Good looking.
Well, she says she's an actor, so...
It's a bit fictitious, but ambitious. I like a very hard-working man, like someone that's got serious ideas in his head. I will actually acknowledge there is double standard in our society. I'm not going to lie.
Damn right.
I oppose those double standards. I can't lie, because when I go on a first date, I actually expect a man to pay. I will offer. I will always offer.
Although I'm glad she's actually accepting the double standards. I'm glad she actually knows it. Unlike Cheyenne, that like she's oblivious to double standards or something like that. So at least she's taking like whatever thing that the double standards is real. So I'm kind of at least respect that situation.
I would say my must-have in a relationship is just to match my energy. I want someone like me, like a male version of me, inspire me, because I'm a very hard-working person. Like the stuff I want in a man is the stuff that I have. I'm hard-working. I take care of my looks. Like, I spend so much money on my makeup and my hair, so I expect you to look good. Go to the gym, because I go to the gym. And I even want you to teach me.
I just gonna mention the makeup thing. I don't know.
Like, I want someone to match my energy and make me that level high.
You can see that showing another makeup. I don't really like. Reason why I don't really like the whole lot of makeup situation, because I don't know what she actually look like under the makeup. Like, I can't tell, because I've seen some pictures with people doing makeup and they look completely different. That's why I don't really trust the makeup situation.
The importance of money in life, you know. If you're broke, you can't do nothing. Are we just gonna sit there and just be eating bread all the time? Like, no, we need to go out. I like Thai food. I want to go to the Shard. You know what I mean? But I'm about building with you.
Yo, Wagwan. You look nice.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Well, yeah, she.
You're good.
I don't know. I don't really like the dress.
Thank you.
Don't really like the suit. It look.
I just came from Bromley.
Wow, I don't know where that is, but it sounds far, man.
Southeast. But then it's also Kent. A lot of people beef by it. They're like, oh no.
Wait, Kent? Is that like south? Yeah, southeast London, southeast of London.
Don't know. Now,
yeah, I love how you know the.
Is it like to the
like to the beautiful area, babe? Let's not do that. You get
end of the country, like to the ocean side?
Yeah, you know that, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So as my little profile's elevating and all that stuff, yeah, I'm looking for the right one, because there's bare clout chasers out here. So what this is about, yeah, what my show's about, is finding the right one and separating them from the clout chasers. So are you a clout chaser?
Do you think I'm a clout chaser? Do I look like a clout?
He's asking you, bruh.
Yeah. I'm not being like a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. But are you though?
What makes me look like a clout chaser?
I know, like, your smile is bare happy, bruv. Like, I see all 32 teeth, bruv. Like, I'm not gonna lie. There's bare happiness.
Yo, I like how he's...
And that's actually why I wanted to come on the
grilling there, bruh. Like,
I've seen some of your stuff.
Tell me what your situation is.
You just say it as it is.
Do you say it as it is?
Yeah, I've got verbal diarrhea as well. But I think you're worse than me, though. I've seen some of the stuff you say, and I'm like, but I rate you for it. Do you know what I see you as? You're like Cardi B.
Mad thing. I'm like a gal. Shout out to the LGBT community, bro. I've done that. So you're blunt like that as well?
Yeah. Not as vulgar as you.
But you still speak the truth.
Yeah. I will say it as it is. Like, I don't
hold back.
sugarcoat things, yeah.
So then what's your body count?
Oh.
Okay, no.
She's not gonna mention that one.
Okay, I don't know. I find that weird when people ask about body counts.
Why? What's wrong with asking?
Because I don't even like keep count.
You don't keep count. When did you lose count?
No.
Yo, that's true.
I lose count. I just don't put any significance on it, so I never count it.
Let's be real here, bro. Let's be real. You must can know how much dick you have in your life if you're a chick. It's not like a situation that you have to think so much, unless you have like 500, 200, 1,000, where you can't really think about it anymore. But
because to me, my sexual experience has got nothing to do with my new relationship. Do you know?
AKA, she's taking a lot of dicks.
It's just, why should I even care about it? And why do people care about it? I don't even get why people care about it.
Because it's kind of like a CV, innit? Like, it's like a DBS check. Do you get what I mean? You kind of want to know the dangerous willies that your girl's taken because it could be some criminal willies in there.
Oh, so you care about body counts?
For the wifey, yeah. For the random girl I'm linking,
so
not
what
really.
number would you say wifey needs to have?
You got to be reasonable, innit?
So what's reasonable to you?
I think under 12 is, 12, right around 12 is a good number. Because you got to, 12 is that. That's
what,
a good,
how old? A 30-year-old?
Yeah, that's all right, 12. But at the same time,
Dude, I can tell that
right
she got
right
like
person.
probably
It's
40 something bodies,
Person
man,
can
or
do
50 something.
bruv.
You want your wifey to be under 12, but you're
The way
not
she'd
under
answer
12,
the
we can hit
question,
the
I can
12
tell.
too.
15. Is that the
yeah,
wiggle
right
room?
around there, do you know what
But
I mean?
is that the same as yours, though?
Pressure and pain on all digital platforms, bruv. So this is what I got to ask you, though. Let's get into this.
Listen.
I got to ask you this. So, like,
Remember she mentioned double standards. That is also a double standard for men. Men can have lots of sex with a lot of women and it doesn't seem like nothing. What on a woman and it kind of different. So that's like a double standard.
I'm an open book, so I want you to be an open book and be real. So,
Yeah.
are you a jealous person?
Yes and no. If I really, really like you, I'll be very jealous. But I don't think I've ever experienced that with anyone.
So you've never done anything mad to like a partner in terms of jealousy? Like you found out he's cheating, you see something in his phone, you never done anything out of jealousy?
No, I think it's reasonable. Like if you're dating someone and then you see them chatting to another girl.
So what would you do? Like you're at a rave with your man, you went there together, you see him just chatting to some next thing, what are you doing?
No, I personally, I would just move on.
You would move on?
Yeah, like I
Really?
would just not talk to you. For
So
like,
you wouldn't go to her as a woman, you wouldn't come to her as a woman? Nothing.
no, like what's the point? Like the guy's already violated you. So to me, like you don't respect me. So why am I fighting?
So you just
She's
allow
giving
it.
good
The only
answers,
time
but
would
I don't
do
know.
something, and I have, is if
That's
you're
what he's
chatting-
asking.
You're chatting nonsense to me, and then you're talking to other girls, and then I found out on your phone or something.
So when you say like, so are you two dating?
That's what he's
or just
asking,
chatting?
dude.
And then you find out he's chatting to other girls.
Chatting, yeah, and you're just lying to me. If I find out that you violated
So
me,
what are you gonna do in
basically-
that stage? What would you,
Well,
you're gonna bait up the thing.
I mean, what I've done in the past is basically some guy logged on my Facebook. He'll probably see this. He logged on my Facebook, and then I seen all the girls. Like, I felt really bad for the girls because he had girlfriends and like all these girls. He was trying to break
Were they of age?
relationships.
Yeah,
Yeah, they were of age.
big man thing.
When he logged on my Facebook, I did like a Facebook status. I was like really young at that
So you
time.
did a status on his thing?
Yeah, I wrote a Facebook status saying that he's been to church and he wants to obviously.
You brought God into it. That's a mad thing.
Turn
Lord,
his
that's
life
a mad thing.
around, and he wants to apologize to all these girls. So I put all the girls in the Facebook. I added myself as well, and I mentioned all of them, and I was like, I said like, I'm really sorry. I hope you can forgive me. And then I said, if you want to speak to me, here's my address.
Big man.
Oh,
Looking
wow.
I'm a bit like Gone Girl. I feel like if you hurt me, I'm a
That's
bit like,
crazy. You see it? You see, that's like a doxing type of situation
But I
because they
wouldn't fight
give
the girl,
away
like, I
his
wouldn't-
address,
I'm a slow
some
killer, you know what I
randos
mean?
So you
Like-
just
that
ruined
you
his
don't
life.
even know.
Yeah, I'll ruin your life, and then
Romantic.
yeah, but I wouldn't. Like,
That's kinda
start
dangerous.
down your face, you know what I mean? Like, what's the point?
That's good to know.
No, but that's kind of
Basically,
dangerous.
don't lie to
Like
me if
you,
if
she's
ever
doing
goes
behind the
anywhere.
scenes
What about you? Are you a jealous
destruction.
No, bruv. If you do something mad, I'll just never chat to you again in life. I'm gone, bruv.
person? Really?
You never see me again. I'm missing.
But what if someone violated you, as in like?
I don't expect nothing less. I probably went into the thing knowing that she'd probably move a bit mad, so it's just one of the things that I just gotta anticipate for. Do you get me?
Yeah.
If she's loyal, that's the surprise. I'll be like, yo, you're loyal. Because I've been doing bad cheating, so bad thing. Now we can work. Now we can build. Do you
So
know what I
you
mean?
say you're quite a negative person with people.
I just don't believe nobody. I think everybody's chatting shit. That's why we're here trying to decipher who's after the clout and who's after real love.
Yeah.
Do you get me?
That's true, bruh.
Though.
Because he's been through a lot of situations. That's why he's more like.
Like, why are you doing a show on looking for love? Like, you can literally look through your DMs and just go on dates or something.
That gets a bit techie, bruv. You don't want to go through the DMs, bruv, because next thing you say hello to someone, then you end up on a register. It's a mad thing. You don't know where it will go because you don't know who. There's social media. You don't know. No, not even that. You don't know. It could be a man. It could be who knows what people are these days. You get me? Shout to the non-binary people, bruv, because we don't know. You know what I mean? You don't know who you're chatting to. One time somebody was sending me pictures of their body and that. They look mad thick. They span around and I saw Willie, bruv. It's a dangerous world. scary hours.
That's true,
How
bruh.
some lads were going like to Thailand and they would like go with Ladyboy for experience.
Mad thing. Shout out to them, man, though.
Would
but
you
I
ever
don't-
do that?
Hell no, bruv.
What happens in Thailand?
Nigga don't want to go to the
I've never
freaking
been,
Thailand for the lady boys. Thailand have a lot of
Feeling
chicks,
back.
bruh. Why would you want to go for
You don't
freaking
travel
lady
much.
boys?
I've travelled recently. I went to New York and Chicago. Big man thing. Shout out to the real drillers, bruv. Shout out to the real drillers out there. They will murk people for nothing over there.
Oh
You get me?
really?
It's real
Are
life.
you a driller?
To the Nani, yeah.
Chilla for the nanny. That's actually pretty funny. Man say man a driller for the nan, brother.
So who's your male celebrity crush?
In the UK, you.
Let's chat shit. Very bullshit, bruv. You know when people chat shit, bruv, it's mad.
No, but I do like your personality. I do like the fact that you just lay it as it is, so
Don't
you
know,
kind of
don't
know what you're gonna get with.
Mm.
If you're pissed off. You're pissed off.
I can
You
smell
won't
it.
Leave someone on because that's what annoys me
bullshit.
happening, like just chatting shit
Bullshit.
for no reason. Do you know what I mean?
On me, what's your favourite feature? Chatting shit, bruv,
Can't-
about you. You see, you bullshit.
Your
bruv.
facial structure. You've got a nice face. I feel like I could see you on the runway.
Don't know. You see, you're doing the right things. I like that. Yeah, I like your smile. You got really
I,
nice eyes as
what
well.
she tried to do, they got face nice facial look.
I feel like you.
Dead, all
actually
they can't really see
offer
his
it.
Why do you
eyes.
say that?
I don't know. You've literally complimented me so much since I got here.
Yeah, you look good.
I didn't expect.
what
Like,
I
I didn't
mean?
expect it. You know what I mean?
Everything's nice. I see the baby hairs. Everything's nice. That. I like that. I'm a connoisseur.
Oh yeah.
When it comes to the ladies' hair,
Do
I'm
you
a
take
connoisseur.
care of yourself as well?
I take care of myself, but like I notice things like makeup, hair, and all that, and your thing is proper. I like that.
Aw, thank you.
You get me? I like that.
But you know what? I've not like. What I didn't like that you've not done though. You've not actually asked me about myself,
Mad thing.
like what I do.
But you're meant to
what
be
am
convincing
I-
me you're not a clout chaser. That's what the thing is.
No, that means if you are not interested in people, how can you attract real people?
So
You need
I'm
to
glad
act-
you said that.
Do you know what I mean? You need to actually dig deep as well. You can't just
Dig
Mm.
real
on
deep. I'm
someone
about to dig
else.
real deep. So I saw something about you talking about guys going down on you. Let's dig deep. What's that about? What's that about?
You-
Oh. Oh.
Oh
You get
really?
me? Yeah, we do the CRBs here. We gotta make sure you are who you
Okay.
I can't lie, like if you are in your dinner thing with someone and they don't go down on you, it doesn't make sense to me.
What do you mean? Like you need it's a
Yeah, like it's a criteria. Like you definitely have to.
so you need to start
Ooh.
off the bone in that. Is that what you're
Yeah, I don't, especially if you are like open to it as well,
saying? So you do know as
and
well.
eating the boudoir,
The boudoir. So you done
maybe. Yeah.
big man thing. Is there a lot
Yo.
of prep in that? Like, what's the plan?
You're asking me. I feel like you're like sexually.
I just want to know what you're on.
I actually went on a show, Sex Clinic, and I learned
Oh,
a
you
lot
went on a
from
sex
that.
clinic?
Yeah, because I like to talk about sex because I want to have good sex in my life. Like I want to die.
When you say you went on a sex, everything in order? Like anything in order? Any lingering issues?
Is that a show? Is that
You think that might give me?
man? British,
That's what I'm just saying.
I don't have
Britain,
anything.
the
No, I went
UK
there
have
because
some
it's my
very
personality and they were like,
weird
"Oh, you
and
seem
some
like
interesting
people."
show that I didn't
I
even
was
realize
saying
that
things
British,
because why
Brit,
not?
the
You know what I mean?
UK
We like
actually
sex,
make
so why can't we talk
great
about it?
series
So that's
and
the
very
vibe. I just
weird.
kinda needed someone
You
to
have
do
one
something
series
like
that
One time I watched it though, and then
very
it
actually
was a bit
weird.
nice,
It's
and they had
called
open up her legs and it looked like a mad kebab.
Attraction. N
Curtains and a lot of folds, it
attraction.
looked a bit disturbing.
I'm not gonna say the first
Yeah,
word,
dude
but
there, he had
you
a-
guys in the UK probably know what I'm talking about. The UK show, the dating show,
Yeah, I
where
wouldn't
5
go
person
because
is in a
anyway,
pod and you
that's a bit
pick based
embarrassing
on
as well.
N
else it is, though.
attraction.
Have you
You know what I'm talking about.
Nah.
That's a weird
I'm
show,
very-
bro. I
I'm
couldn't
very
believe when I
like-
saw it. I couldn't.
And this
I was
is why
like,
I
there's
went to
nothing
sex
like this in
as well,
America.
because
That's crazy.
Just knowing more about sex, like obviously I already know about safe sex, but just the things that you should be doing. Do you know what I mean? Like sometimes people don't even know about you can get herpes from sucking. Like some people don't even know that. Do you know what I mean? It's just no. adult
Oh.
knowledge about sex in general, not just
Wait, but that's a
pleasure, 'cause I wanna do
sexual
more about pleasure as well.
transmitted
I love
disease. Of course you can,
pleasure.
because it can
But,
transfer the
the safe
liquid
side
to
of it
your
as well.
So
situation.
These days you gotta be careful. These days I wear a hazmat suit. I don't be bitches when I wear an outfit on and a
Oh,
jacket.
you're saying?
Yeah,
Do
with
you
some
know,
Wellington
I didn't
boots,
think you
everything.
would be though, because you just seem like you fuck anything.
Nah, bruv. These days you gotta be.
Oh
careful.
my
So you
god.
fuck anything, but you're safe.
No, I don't fuck anything. But even when I trust the thing, I don't trust them. You put your willy in.
Didn't you say you fucked a kid before?
Yeah, I didn't even know though. I didn't even know she was all prim and proper, and then she started moving mad.
To be honest, there's nothing wrong with a crackhead. They're just humans as well. Do you know what I mean? It's just someone that's had a bad life.
Shout out to the crackheads and that, you get me? No, you gotta be careful, blood. These days
Yeah,
you put
you
your
gotta
willy
be-
in something
yeah,
and you get
definitely.
alopecia, bruv. Start getting
And that's
nosebleeds.
another thing why I don't like people in the limelight.
This
because
guy-
They're not careful.
I feel like you got the receipts. What's the receipts there? You got some receipts?
Let's just say, I know some of my friends that have been there and caught stuff and...
Are they with us? Right
Cause
now?
they're going raw, bruh.
Okay, they're not.
See what I'm
okay,
talking about,
obviously,
man? These
sexual
girls nowadays,
STDs can be cured.
But there's some.
dude, these nowadays generation girls like to get it
Can't-
raw,
True,
bro.
obviously.
Dog
Some gifts
raw,
that keep on
man.
giving,
That's
bruv.
crazy.
That's true.
That's
That's how the
true.
situation, you know, in America with
I
the
don't
old
wanna
Roe
just
v.
wear
Wade
nothing.
No, that's
abortion
fine. How about Guy
situation.
then, with Guy?
Which is why they're so mad because these
Yeah.
girls love
I'm for
getting
you,
it
I'm
raw,
down for
man.
whatever, like,
You like tying them
They
up
love
and
getting
shit.
it raw,
Thank
then
you,
they
man.
can just toss one away, get one more, toss one away,
What's
get
your
one more,
thoughts on
toss one away.
It's a bit too much.
It's
Why you
mad,
think
man.
he's a-
I
Mad.
think he's a bit gay. Like, do you know what I mean? You want.
Shout out to the LGBT
I mean,
community, bro.
obviously, there's nothing wrong with gay men, but I'm not into. Do you know what I mean? I'm into straight men. So
Don't know.
people are doing so much. Like, you know about the Dubai porta potty?
No, I don't. Explain it to me.
Oh my god, you
What's
don't know
that?
about it?
No,
Oh.
what is that?
You're lying. You mentioned that in
Disclose
part
that
one.
Influencers are flying to Dubai and they're being made to.
I like how she doesn't
men,
even know that
rich men to
Castillo
fly
actually
out.
knows it.
And then
For real?
Yeah, there's a video that went viral.
Name names. Name names.
I don't know them. It was just a random influencer, and apparently they offered them like 30k. Sort of
30K?
thing. Would you?
They're getting 30K for that. That's a
Would
mad
you
thing.
do that?
Now I know some gal that would love to do that. Mad thing, change their life. Yeah,
Really?
that's a mad thing. So what they doing there? They'll go in there and get some Mr. Whippy on them and that. Like.
Yeah, just open your mouth and then they'll in the video like it even makes her eat it. So it was like
Oh,
she ate the
gross.
pieces, and then he was like, "Oh, now eat my booty."
Like groceries, like groceries for real.
Like gross. I mean,
That's
I
actually
like that
disgusting.
Without the
pieces.
doo-doos. So you like a guy to eat?
Definitely.
How does that feel like to you?
That's good. Like, what do you mean? Someone is eating you out. Like,
So is that on your checklist? Like you must eat the barty and that.
yeah.
100%.
Like, don't get me wrong. Like, if you're not open to it yet,
Dude, that
you
sounds
can build it.
disgusting,
But I would
man.
like you to be there
Talking about the
already.
Dubai
Would
situation.
you eat his
A lot of men
barty?
aren't. What?
Would you eat his barty? So that's a no.
Ah, double standard.
See, I read
And to be
Mm.
fair, I've never had a man ask me.
If he did, would you be like, that's a bit zesty, cuz where you going with this?
No, not really, because men, everyone has their G spot there, so I can understand you wanting it. Do you know what I mean? Like, I want it, so
What are you looking for?
Not gonna lie,
in a
she's-
relationship?
I'm looking for someone that's good looking.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was gonna dislike her based on the trailer, but she's kinda right. Not my favorite, but she's kinda cool. She's alright.
Is that very important to you?
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Like, Uncle.
She
Rose
seemed more
asked me,
chill
and I'm
than
like,
how
I'm
she
not being
act
funny,
in the
yeah, you don't
trailer.
even go to the
So
gym,
that's
you
why I'm
don't even get a
not
trim,
supposed to
like,
judge.
Look at me. The reason you want me is because I spend a lot of money on my makeup. I spend money on my hair. Like, I go to the gym. Do you know what I mean? I spend a lot of money to look this good. So who do you think you are that you could just come to me and then you're like, oh yeah, I want you? It's like, no, go and take care of yourself.
So looks good, how about money?
I like money too, but I don't expect the things that I can't do from a man. So I like money, so I expect you to like money. I'm not gonna lie, like if I work hard, like I do a lot for money. Like I work full time, I invest. If I'm then with a man that doesn't really care about money, I'm gonna get frustrated. Do you know what I mean?
Of course.
Because I want a guy
That's
showing
yeah, that's
me
understanding.
other ideas to be like, oh, you got this property. How about we go into commercial properties? How about we? Do you know what I mean? I want someone
What if
to.
he's like, babes, I'm just selling weed, like.
Oh no, I work in the legal sector. I'm a trainee solicitor, so.
So.
Oh,
you
so
can
she have a
case, is that what you're trying to
she have a
say?
good.
That's what you're saying right now.
She have a decent job
So that's what I
then.
wanna ask you, though. You
The
said
basically she
looking
work with the
important.
government
So
then.
You would date a guy that's good looking and broke over a guy
That's crazy.
fat and butters with bare money.
I actually would, because I would be sick. Because if I could do a guy that's not good looking and has got money, I would have a sugar daddy. Because why not? Do you know what I mean? Like, I look good. Like, I know you want me.
So
but
what's
the
your
thing
biggest
is,
turn off when it comes to that though?
It's the belly.
The belly, the uncle belly.
Oh, she like
And
guys that are in shape.
get a trim. So disgusting. Like,
So that's
how
an
can you?
ultimate red flag.
Yeah, like, yeah, massive belly.
So if he's got bare money, he's like, yo, babes, man, I can take you to Dubai, fly you out. I just got a belly.
Nah, I've I've had that though. That's the thing. I've had men literally offer me money, like I will fly you out, and I'm like, but I have to actually suck something. I need to. They expect you to do something.
What do they want you to suck though?
I mean, no one's flying you out for free, are they?
I like how she's actually smart. She
like,
knows
when you get there,
that
you
nobody
have,
flying
like,
out for free.
Members,
I like how she's actually aware of the situation.
You know what I mean? They're probably trying to do some madness. You probably have like 3 men waiting for you, and then.
So you're not on that?
No.
I respect
actually, when I have sex, it's because I want to. I never want to be paid for sex.
Have you got brethren that will do that?
Of course.
We're gonna put their name in the credits so the men them that want to reach out to them, if they want to.
Why are you so bothered though? Like sometimes that works for people. Do you know what I mean? Like uncles.
He's not bothered.
Girls that want money.
He's asking your situation.
No, I agree, 100%.
Do you know what I mean?
I think anybody should do whatever they want to do if they're nanny. Do you get what I mean? Exactly. I feel like it should be up for sale. I feel like people should do whatever they want. Do you get what I mean? It's their body, their choice.
But do you judge them?
Yeah, 100%, bruv.
See, that's the thing, you shouldn't judge them. It's just
Dude,
bad,
he's not being bad. He's just telling you what he's saying. That's the thing.
This is not gonna happen in life. You know what I mean? I'm gonna look you in the face. These times some man's poo-poo's been all over your bottom lip.
She don't realize that Castillo is real. You have your choice, he has his choice. His choice is not to deal with you. Your choice is to eat shit. That's it.
I feel like low-key, when she looks in the mirror, there's gonna be a lot of demons there, bruv, and it's a bit mad. I don't want that. Yeah, the demons, bruv. And you know when you beat, the energies transfer, bruv.
Yeah, you're right. Do you know what I've always thought? Do you think women only want you because you're funny?
I'm not even that funny, bruv. Women like
hilarious.
me. Now women like me because I'm buff. That's really what it is.
You actually think that?
I'm mad buff.
Wow, I like your energy.
I'm not gonna lie, bruv. Like literally, you see, I was broke for years and I never had no peas, and I was just getting bare gal.
Oh, okay.
Do you know what I mean? So really and truly, it was probably a mix of the looks and the personality, bruv. But I was quite quiet.
Like your confidence. Like you can tell you're the type. Like you have no money in your bank account, but you will tell a rich man to sit down.
No, of course, bruv. You get me. Sky's the limit. You get me. Like
I think that's what women want, though. They just want a confident guy.
Depends, innit? Because these days people want peas now, bruv. That's why we're here, doing the love or money thing. Get me? If I had like $1,000 right now, and I just put it right here, yeah? And I said, you could have this money right now. Okay. Are you choosing that, or are you choosing love? What would you choose?
If I was in love with someone, I'd definitely go for like the love.
So that's what you're looking for?
Yeah, of course. Like I've never experienced love, and I think it's quite sad.
So
really?
You've never experienced love, so you've just been f***ing this whole time?
Oh, Carla,
that's
dude.
what it sounds like.
I like how Castillo is called.
So the nannies has been on.
Dude, I like how Castillo is calling her. That's why when he mentioned the body count situation, and she was like, oh, listen, bruh, she been smashing like crazy. That's why she can't remember her body count.
On a lease and finance. So
no. I've been in relationships, but I don't know. Maybe.
But you haven't been in love?
What do you mean?
I don't
okay.
think I understand this whole being with someone forever. Like, I've never been obsessed with someone.
Never in your life. So a man's never given you the good willy and you just
That's why she cannot be picked, because there's no way I'm gonna be with a girl like this, bruh.
No, I get good sex. I get good.
But you've never been stigmatized or nothing in your life.
No, because any guy that's giving me good sex, crazy.
What do you mean? What do you mean by crazy?
Oh my God, I don't even want to like go into it. Like
this girl is a red flag, man. She's cool, but the way she's talking,
we done a thing,
not being in love, and not smashing dudes just like that.
In front of my mom's house, trying to
I don't know, man.
In front of my African mom's house.
Oh, she's African.
And the funny thing is, he's not even.
Oh,
like,
she's African.
On social media, you think he's them rich man because he's got drip, like he's got like tattoos everywhere. He's a big guy, and then
sounds like he's kind of known. Is he kind of known? Is he kind of famous? Sounds like he is.
I wouldn't think he's not that famous.
You're rubbing your eye like he is.
It's not. Nah.
How many followers he got?
He's got about 100 and something K.
He's not really unpopular. That's quite a popular man.
Yeah, it's not.
I reckon if we did our due diligence, we could find him.
Why are you trying to get?
I'm just saying. Tell me something else.
Yo.
Turn on for you.
Yeah, this dude is funny, bro.
So that's really. I feel like this is a really important thing for you.
Yeah.
Why is it so important? What if a guy literally everything's perfect, yeah? Like you lot, the moments come, yeah. Got you all naked and he's kissing on the belly, working his way down, and he's like, nah, babe, man, not really eat pork and that. You get me, bro? Man's vegan now. You get me? He's not on that. What you saying in that
Vegan.
moment?
I live at that wifey stage. Yeah.
Oh yeah, got you.
Yeah. So they're like, oh, I can only do it when at your wifey.
Castillo probably
Ah.
thought she meant like
Yeah.
different race
Yeah, I
of
think,
woman.
no, sorry, if we're gonna have sex and you want me to on it, then you're gonna have to go down there and eat it like a goosey soup. Like, do you know what I mean? It's an exchange. Do you know what I mean?
Castillo's like, okay.
So if a guy just told you, yo, babes, man, just want to beat, bruv. That's all I want to do. Would you prefer that honesty over to someone that was just not telling you what it was?
Yeah, of course.
If he was honest with you, would you beat?
I mean, if I was into him, why not? Like, if Trey Songz said,
Listen, man, this girl love talk about love honesty. It's your lying. Lying. They don't want no
yeah, I'm trying to
fucking
think.
honesty,
I'm
bro.
like, oh, okay. I even said
They don't want no
Trey Songz,
damn
Trey
honesty.
Songz.
because he's buff.
So does that mean, let's say, like Anthony Joshua and that came through, and he was like, yo, babes, man wants to smash. What you saying?
We're opening it different directions.
You're busting it wide open.
No, because have you seen Anthony Joshua? Like, really?
So, look, okay,
And it's not even just his looks, it's the person that.
I'm gonna say this, man. This girl can't be trusted. Can't be. So if a dude come to buff, she's gone. Basically, that's what she's saying. That's why Castillo is asking her them these questions to actually figure out, and she just spilling everything. Cause she's
So I'm gonna
as she
ask
said,
you,
she's
before
raw,
we wrap up
but
this,
she's
before
spilling
you
everything, bruh.
enjoyed yourself.
Yeah, I have. I feel like literally, I just got to be myself, and I didn't really expect you to be like this. Just
that's a
so
good thing then.
chilled and so like the compliments. I didn't expect it.
Of course, you got to compliment a beautiful person.
Oh,
So you
I
look good. You
appreciate
made an
that.
effort, so I got to do that.
Yeah.
Great time getting to know you.
Yeah.
You get me? I've had a great
And
time.
he,
with you,
this
understanding
dude,
you a lot
bruh,
more.
this
You get me?
dude
Building to the next bit.
Yeah.
You get me? I love that.
No, I appreciate
got her
that.
flattering and
you know
everything,
how you
bruh.
plug
Dude,
your
I feel
stuff?
like he could actually
And he just said,
smash her, bruh.
Unleash podcast out on all platforms.
Big man thing. How much you paying me for that? You said it. Look at the camera and plug your tick.
Unleash podcast out on all platforms.
Big man thing.
No, I rate that so much about you. I love that.
So after this date, what are you saying?
Yo, she could have forced him to do
You're
something
small,
that she's
flirty
telling him
and
to do.
stuff, But I'm like, you could just be just the way you are. And you could not be on it, because I don't want to look like bread as well. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Where I'm like on it, and then he's like,
But we shall see.
we'll see.
We'll see. But
We'll
thank you so
see.
much. It's been a great date.
It's been lovely.
Yo, this is actually good, bruh. This is actually.
Done now.
Thank you.
This nigga. Yo, this
Big
nigga's.
man thing. I was feeling the date, you get me? She was looking all nice and that, but you never know, bruv. Sounded a bit clouty, bruv. I'm not gonna lie, bruv. Not gonna lie. What do you think about black people? No, I'm just joking. I'm taking a bit. I try and mess you up.
Oh, look at a whitey
Then
next
it's like, I
time.
feel
That's
like if I'm doing
crazy.
that, then I got next thing. I gotta be on.
I'm not gonna watch it. I don't want to see the in the what boys. This was actually very funny. This was actually pretty good. I really enjoyed it, man. This was pretty good. As I said before, when last time when I saw the clippings, I saw she was gonna be like, oh, this hyper show offy type of woman, but she was actually pretty cool. She was lying about a lot of situations, but I'm gonna hand it to her. She have a lot of knowledge about certain places like Ladyboy situation and Dubai. So she have a lot of knowledge about certain situations. Plus she work in a seems like she have a good job, so she's probably knowledgeable and stuff like that. But damn, some of the stuff that she mentioned was like, I don't think she would be the one he's picking, because she mentioned she never fallen in love before. I mean, she's been smashing around the place and she cannot remember her body count. Why it is important, because she doesn't remember. Because if you're just smashing so much, you can't remember your body count. Let's be real, man. Almost everybody can remember their body count unless you're smashing countless people and not really thinking about it. That's the only way I can think you're not gonna remember. Let's be real. Let's just be real. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Really enjoyed this episode. I don't know. I think this is. Oh man. I think this is almost. See, episode 1 was better, but